Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohd bin ISHAK and my matrix number is CN190161. Today I'm going to give a presentation about our introduction to our project and our company. Geo Green Energy Sdn Bhd, known as GGE, based in Pagoh, Johor, is a construction company that has developed into market-leading integrated environmental, engineering and technical services business in Malaysia. We offer end-to-end services to assist organizations in achieving their goals in a sustainable and effective manner. Geo Green Energy has developed a complete, totally independent environmental consultant in Malaysia that serves both the private and public sectors, particularly for environmental needs in infrastructure projects such as commercial and residential building. Our company has deep experience in countless sectors of civil works, electrical works, green building construction and engineering services. We operate with a mission to include environmental factor in each of our projects. GGE is a company that expertise in green building construction as we committed in minimizing the creation of waste, pollution and adverse impacts on the environment. Valley Cafe is the latest project of Geo Green Energy Sdn Bhd, located in Bandar University Pagoh, Johor. This project is to introduce green building and its benefits to the students and society in Bandar University Pagoh, including as combating climate change, developing sustainable and flourishing communities, and promoting economic growth. GGE build the Eco Valley Cafe is not only to minimize or eliminate negative environmental consequence by using less water, energy or natural resources, but this project may also have a positive environmental impact by producing their own energy or boosting biodiversity. Eco Valley Cafe setting aim to offer a variety of economic and financial benefits that include utility bills reductions through energy and water efficiency, lower construction costs, greater property value for building developers and operational expenses for building owners.
Hi, good morning. My name is SHARMILA. My metric number is CN190070. I did the mission, vision, objective, financial support, net present value method, and the conclusion part. Perform our customer with the most significant level value of development with reasonable price, guarantee the lifespan of our organization by accomplishing the client's requirement, keep up with the good bonding with our subcontractors, profession partner and clients, to be transcendent supplier, and lastly, being resolved to build the total assets of the organization and investor. Be mindful, productive, association, respectable, magnificent, and flexible innovator in the development business. Okay, our objective is to calculate the cost capital of Geo Green Energy Sdn Bhd, which each category is proportionally weighted, to show significance of life cycle cost, work breakdown and cash flow diagram, to contribute the capacity of the weighted average cost of capital in exercising the money of an organization, to undertake cost valuation to decide the plausibility of the task dependent on its net present value, to advance ecological maintainability in structures including lighting, building materials and design.
My entry number is CN190153. So today I would like to explain some details of our project. Come, let's go. Exterior and interior design of Eco Valley Cafe. So the first picture shows the exterior design of the cafe and the second picture shows the interior design of the cafe. So we are moving to the next slide. The next slide shows the ground, floor and the top view plan of the cafe. So the first picture shows the ground plan of the cafe, and the second picture shows the floor plan of the cafe, and the third one is the top view of the cafe, and all these are in 2D views. Next, I will explain about the environmental material used in our cafe. The first one is solar panel, green roof, bird-friendly house, roof sprinkle cooling system, low VOC finishes and paint, recycled dustbins, reused stone and brick walls, wooden flooring, wooden tables, old tire chairs, toilet sink combo, tissue papers, recycled glass tiles in washrooms, solid wood cabinet, energy efficient dishwasher, Korean countertops for all over the cafe, and HVAC appliances for all over the cafe. Besides,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanis Nabilah binti Mohd and my metric number is CN190209. In this video, my partner NOOR HUSNA and I will present about the expenses and capitalization involved in this project. Expensing a cost indicates it is included on the income statement and subtracted from revenue to determine profit. Capitalizing indicates that the cost has been determined to be a capital expenditure and is accounted for on the balance sheet as an asset, with only the depreciation showing up on the income statement. Moving on next to the initial cost, which is 900,000, the initial cost for BioGreen company. Firstly, we will look into the management and labor costs. All of these stated are counted for 12 months. We only required one engineer, which is RM4,000 per person. Supervisor are required for 1, RM2,200 per person. Contractor required for 2, RM2,600 per person. And general workers are required for 8 contractor, RM1,041 and 67 cents per person. Repairs and maintenance expense is the cost incurred to ensure that an asset continues to operate. This may involve bringing performance level up to their original level, and the maintenance cost is RM50,000 as per stated there. It is counted for 12 months. Utilities cost mean charges for utilities used or consumed at or by the premises during both construction and operations. RM3,500, petrol RON95 is RM3,000, insurance 50,000 and authority permit is 5,000. The total utilities cost used is 61,500. The whole capital expenditures and working used in our company in conducting the project. The total cost stated there is for costing per project.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NOOR HUSNA. Okay, for part 1, I am going to explain about the material cost, logistic cost, machine and tool cost. Okay.
The element shows is the summary of the material cost used in constructing the project. First, we have pile concrete, column, slab, foundation and infrastructure. The cost for each element are between the range 50,000 until 70,000 ringgit. So next is the logistic cost, which is counted for 12 months. Okay, we have 3 items here, which is first is extendable backhoe, which is at 30,000 ringgit per unit. Second is lorry, 32,400 ringgit per unit, and crane, 36,000 per unit. Okay, lastly we have machine and tool cost, which is also counted for 12 months. Okay, so we have portable generator, heavy duty 4-wheel tube cutter, vibrator, tools, and also we prepare the site office, which is the total utilities cost is at 35,000 ringgit.
Next, we will look into the life cycle costs. Life cycle costing is an important economic analysis used in the selection of alternatives that impact both pending and future costs. It compares initial investment options and identifies at least cost alternatives for a period. These are the elements involved in life cycle cost, which is construction cost, involve machine plus material and labor cost. Next, maintenance cost. For operation cost, it involves wages, rent, insurance and general. For LCC, construction plus maintenance plus operation and occupancy. Lastly, occupancy is RM10,000.
These are the cash inflow. The client will release payment by 12 stages. Our initial cost as stated is RM900,000.
This is the cash outflow. The client will release payment by 12 stages. The total balance is RM117,700. And lastly from me, this is the cash inflow and cash outflow versus the duration of the 12 times payment.
Then for part 2, I am going to explain about the work breakdown structure. Okay, so first I am going to explain about the work breakdown structure first. Okay, WBS is a visual or hierarchical oriented deconstruction of a project. Okay, it is actually a helpful diagram for project manager as it allows them to identify the activities that need to be done in order to complete the project successfully. Actually, WBS brings a lot of advantage as it defines and organizes the work required. Moreover, it facilitates the quick development of a schedule by allocating effort estimates to specific sections of the WBS. Most importantly, WBS provides a way to estimate project cost. Okay, so this is the cost estimating by using the work breakdown structure for the purpose project which is Ecoville Cafe. So actually by using the WBS method, we can identify the certain activities more effectively. Okay, it consists of substructure, superstructure, finisher services and external works, and the cost for each topic are shown as below. Okay, from analysis, we conclude that 10% of the construction cost is categorized as preliminary cost, while the design cost use up till 9% of the construction cost. So the total construction cost for this project is at 458,045 ringgit and 17 cents.
The cash flow diagrams. In the simplest term, cash flow refers to the movement of income into an expenditure out of an organization through time. If more money enters the firm than leave, the cash flow is considered to be positive, while negative cash flow occurs when more money is spent than is received. A cash flow diagram helps Geog Green Energy's neighborhood to graphically illustrate the timing of the cash, be it inflow of cash or outflow of cash. So, here is the cash flow diagram for Ecoville Cafe project for 12 months. Our project starts with outflow at the first month, following with the inflow for the rest of the projects. Thank you.
In this project, I would also like to explain about the weighted average cost of capital, which is WACC. The formula for WACC is shown above. Our project managed to raise 300,000 amount of debt and 400,000 amount of equality fund rising. Cost of debt is set as 4.02% and cost of equality is set as 8%. Our corporate tax will be 25%, and all above the information is inserted in the formula, and the total WACC that we obtain is 5.009%. And that's all from me. Thanks.
Support we choose the CIMB bank because of the low interest as 6.88% to 14.88%, zero fee, have a minimum monthly income which is RM2,000, can take loan until up to the max RM100,000, repayment up to 5 years. As well, CIMB is the best investment bank in Malaysia and well known as in global. Okay, net present value. Net present value is the worth of all future incomes, positive and negative, over the whole existence of the speculation limited to the present. We calculate our NPV using the Excel software, which is fix our discount rate to 5%, and over here we put equal to open bracket 5%, comma, and added the 1 until 11 close bracket and plus with the value over here, and we get the positive value over here. Eco Valley Cafe is the task to present great structure to the society, which preserve our nature in upcoming days. Thank you.